So today we have our safety goggles. And we have our watermelon. And we have our rubber bands. And we are going to, well, how about you just guess?
What do you
we're
think
going to do?
We are going to do, if you guessed explode a watermelon, you are correct.
You are correct. Good for you.
Okay, I'm very scared. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Oh gosh, okay. So, this is gonna happen soon.
We used 160 rubber bands.
160 rubber
to
bands.
blow up a smallish.
I don't know. It's pretty. It's a good
medium size.
Good size.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
So
Totally recommended.
yeah,
100% recommended. There's watermelon
everywhere. It is so.
It's
cool.
on the window everywhere.
So,
It's so cool. Yeah.
on the windows. It's everywhere.
So,
it's awesome.
If you enjoyed the exploding of this watermelon,
yeah, and you didn't even get to see most of it because you know it dropped into the camera.
but you should like this video and subscribe to our channel, and maybe we will explode some more things.
Yeah, like
in our future videos.
Yeah, we'll definitely maybe for Halloween we'll do
A pumpkin.
But
Like-
Roy did that, but
Yeah.
we could get away with it.
We were inspired by a guy named Roy. So, guava juice was our inspiration for this video. But
So and definitely look up his videos. You will love them.
yes, do it.
Yeah, they're amazing.
But thank you for
Funny.
watching.
Yeah, thank
Give
you
us
for
a thumbs
watching.
up and subscribe to our channel.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.